In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Ethereum, the groundbreaking blockchain platform that's making waves in the world of digital currencies. Developed by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and allows developers to build and run decentralized applications using smart contracts. Ethereum enables the creation of a wide range of applications, including decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how Ethereum works and why it's become such an important player in the world of cryptocurrencies. Ethereum was first proposed by a programmer named Vitalik Buterin in late 2013, when he was just 19 years old. Buterin had previously been involved with Bitcoin, but he saw limitations in the Bitcoin blockchain and wanted to create a more versatile platform for decentralized applications. In 2014, Buterin and a group of co-founders launched a crowdfunding campaign for Ethereum, raising over $18 million in Bitcoin. The Ethereum blockchain was officially launched in July 2015, and it quickly gained attention from developers and investors alike. One of the most significant innovations that Ethereum has brought to the world of blockchain technology is the concept of smart contracts. So, what are smart contracts exactly? Smart contracts are self-executing programs that can automatically enforce the terms of an agreement between two parties. They work by encoding the terms of the agreement into lines of code and then storing them on the Ethereum blockchain. Once the conditions of the contract are met, the contract executes automatically, without any need for intermediaries or manual intervention. They are based on an if-then logic. If event A occurs, action B is executed. The beauty of smart contracts is that they enable the creation of decentralized applications, or dApps. These dApps can be used for a wide range of purposes, such as peer-to-peer lending, crowdfunding, or even creating virtual marketplaces. Thanks to Ethereum's Turing-complete programming language, developers can create complex and sophisticated smart contracts that can perform a variety of functions. Smart contracts have the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, from finance to supply chain management to real estate. And with Ethereum leading the way, the possibilities for innovation are endless. The Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, is a crucial component of the Ethereum network. It is a runtime environment that executes smart contracts on the Ethereum network. The EVM is a virtual machine, which means that it is a software environment that emulates a computer system, allowing smart contracts to run on the Ethereum blockchain. The EVM is engineered to be Turing-complete, giving it the ability to execute any computation that a conventional computer can perform. This feature allows developers to create complex smart contracts that can execute a wide range of tasks, from simple transactions to more complex operations such as computations and decision-making. The EVM operates on the concept of gas, which is a measure of the computational power required to execute a given operation. Each transaction or smart contract execution on the Ethereum network requires a certain amount of gas, which is paid for using Ether. This incentivizes efficient programming and ensures that the network is not overloaded with unnecessary computational tasks. Without the EVM, the creation and execution of smart contracts would not be possible, and the Ethereum network would not be able to support the range of decentralized applications that exist on the platform today. Decentralized applications, or dApps, are applications that operate on a decentralized network. Ethereum was the first blockchain that enables the creation of dApps, providing developers with a platform to build and deploy smart contracts. dApps have a number of benefits over traditional centralized applications. Firstly, they are resistant to censorship and control, as they operate on a decentralized network. This means that no single entity can modify or shut down the application. Secondly, they are more secure, as the data is stored on a distributed ledger, making it difficult for hackers to manipulate or corrupt the data. Lastly, they can provide greater transparency, as all transactions and data are publicly visible on the blockchain. The creation of dApps has opened up new possibilities for a wide range of industries, from finance and insurance to gaming and social media. For example, one of the most popular dApps is Uniswap, an open-source decentralized exchange for trading and providing liquidity for Ethereum-based tokens. Another example is OpenSea, a decentralized NFT marketplace that is the most popular one by trading volume. Overall, Ethereum's support for dApps has enabled the creation of a new generation of decentralized applications that have the potential to disrupt a wide range of industries and provide new opportunities for innovation and growth. Ether is the digital currency that plays a central role in the Ethereum ecosystem. It is used as a means of payment for transaction fees and also as a form of value exchange for other assets and services built on the Ethereum platform. Unlike Bitcoin, which is primarily used as a store of value and a means of exchange, Ether has a broader range of use cases. It is the native currency of the Ethereum blockchain and is used to power decentralized applications and smart contracts. One of the key benefits of Ether is its ability to facilitate secure and efficient transactions on the Ethereum network. When a transaction is processed, a small amount of Ether is required to pay for the computational resources used to process the transaction. This helps to prevent network spam and ensures that the network can operate smoothly and efficiently. Despite the fact that Ethereum 2 was officially renamed to the consensus layer, we will still refer to it as Ethereum 2 as it remains the name that most people are familiar with. Ethereum 2 has been successfully launched, bringing with it a host of upgrades and improvements to the Ethereum network. One of the most significant changes is the move from proof of work to proof of stake, which has increased the efficiency of the network. Proof of stake is a consensus algorithm that selects validators based on the amount of Ether they hold and are willing to stake. Validators with more staked Ether are more likely to validate the next block of transactions and earn more rewards. This incentivizes validators to act in the network's best interest, as any malicious behavior could result in their staked Ether being slashed. While proof of stake has benefits such as reducing energy consumption and increasing transaction speeds, it also has the potential to lead to centralization, as it requires a significant amount of Ether to participate in block validation. This could result in those with large amounts of Ether having a greater influence on the network, making it more centralized. In addition to proof of stake, Ethereum 2 has also introduced sharding, a technique that allows the network to process more transactions in parallel, greatly increasing its scalability. Sharding divides the network into smaller shards, each of which can process its own set of transactions. This allows for much greater throughput and reduces the chances of network congestion. Ethereum is being used today for various purposes, including decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and supply chain management. Ethereum is enabling people to access financial services in a decentralized way, such as lending, borrowing, and trading. NFTs, on the other hand, are digital assets that are unique and cannot be replicated, allowing creators to sell their art or other digital assets as one-of-a-kind items. Ethereum's smart contracts enable the creation and management of these NFTs. Additionally, Ethereum's blockchain technology can be used to track and verify the origin and authenticity of products in supply chain management, providing transparency and accountability. These are just a few examples of how Ethereum is being used today, and its potential use cases are constantly expanding. The future of Ethereum is exciting and full of potential. As one of the largest and most established blockchain platforms, Ethereum has already had a significant impact on the wider industry, but its potential goes far beyond what has already been achieved. One area of focus is interoperability. Ethereum is not the only blockchain platform out there, and the ability for different blockchains to communicate with each other seamlessly is crucial for the wider adoption of blockchain technology. Ethereum is working on various solutions to enable interoperability, such as the Ethereum virtual machine and bridges that connect Ethereum to other blockchains. In addition to these technical improvements, Ethereum is also poised to have a significant impact on various industries. For example, in the finance industry, the rise of decentralized finance has been fueled by Ethereum and its smart contract capabilities. DeFi applications allow for various financial services to be conducted in a decentralized, trustless manner, opening up new possibilities for financial inclusion and innovation. Ethereum's non-fungible tokens have disrupted the art world by enabling creators to verify ownership and authenticity of digital assets. NFTs can also bridge the divide between digital and physical assets by tokenizing real-world assets, making it simpler to transfer ownership, track history, and even enable fractional ownership for wider investment opportunities. Overall, the future of Ethereum is bright, with potential applications in various industries and the ongoing development of technical improvements to make the platform more scalable and interoperable. The impact of Ethereum on the wider blockchain industry is sure to be significant. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world of Ethereum. We've covered a lot of ground, from its beginnings as a groundbreaking blockchain platform to its current state as a powerhouse for decentralized applications and innovative use cases like DeFi, NFTs, and supply chain management. But perhaps most excitingly, we've explored the potential that Ethereum holds for the future of the entire blockchain industry, as it continues to lead the way in revolutionizing the way we think about money, trust, and ownership. We hope this video has sparked your interest in Ethereum and its possibilities and encourage you to continue learning about this revolutionary technology. In case you were feeling a bit out of your depth during this Ethereum deep dive, no worries. We've got you covered with a more beginner-friendly video on Ethereum that you can check out right here. Happy exploring!